How to deep clean your Ninja cold press safely. To keep your Ninja cold press performing like new, here's how to deep clean it safely, and the right tools to make it easier. 1. Disassemble the juicer. Fully unplug the machine and remove the juicing chamber from the base. Take out the auger, filter, lid, and containers. Don't forget to remove the juice spout flap for a proper clean. 2. Soak everything in warm soapy water. Let the parts soak for about 10 to 15 minutes. This softens pulp buildup and makes it easier to scrub clean without damaging anything. 3. Clean the filter mesh gently. The fine mesh filter needs special care. Use a soft brush that won't scratch the surface. I've linked the same brush I use below. It gets deep into the mesh without wearing it down. 4. Scrub the lid, chamber, and spout. Use a narrow brush to clean around the juice spout channel, lid grooves, and inside the feed chute. Rinse each part thoroughly when you're done. 5. Wipe down the motor base. Never submerge the base, just wipe it with a damp cloth. Make sure the bottom and contact points are dry before reassembling. If you clean the filter and spout regularly with the right tools, your juicer stays efficient and lasts longer. If you still need a proper cleaning brush, check the one linked below. It's soft, durable, and makes deep cleaning way faster. And if you're still having trouble after cleaning, contact Ninja Support using the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and juice easy.